Let's make momos. Add to cup maida. Add 1 spoon salt. Mix. Add 1 cup water. Mix well and make a dough. Done. Rest in 10 minutes. Ready. Let's make chicken mixture. Make keema of the chicken. 1 spoon black pepper. 1 spoon zira. 1 spoon salt. 1 spoon chili flakes. 1 spoon soy sauce. Mix well all the mixture. Add oil. 1 spoon garlic and green chilies. Add this. Add onion. Vegetables. Add carrot. Add capsicum. Add cabbage. Mix well. It's done. Add dough. Make it. Roll the dough. Make small circles with the help of glass. Done. Add mixture and make a shape of momos. All momos done. Steam it. Add some water. Add stand. Wait for 5 minutes. Grease the all-in stain. Add momos. Transfer the stain in this. Steam for 20 minutes. Ready. Transfer in plate. Add chili flakes. Final look.